Collaboration with Autofunnel and 11 Labs. Funky Frogs and Terrific Toads. By Samantha Shaw. Artist, mother, nature lover. Funky Frogs and Terrific Toads. Hop into the world what makes frogs and toads unique. Meet the family. The wide world of frogs. Frogs, in all their remarkable diversity, have captivated human interest for centuries with their enchanting presence and unique characteristics. As one of the most diverse groups within the animal kingdom, frogs showcase an incredible array of species, each with its own distinct traits and habits. From the tropical rainforests of South America to the deserts of Australia, frogs have evolved to inhabit almost every corner of the Earth, adapting to various climates, terrains, and ecosystems. Globally, there are over 6,000 known species of frogs, offering a kaleidoscope of colours, shapes, sizes, and behaviours. This spectacular variety enthralls scientists and nature enthusiasts alike, continually unravelling new discoveries about these extraordinary amphibians. Now, let's debunk a common misconception. What distinguishes frogs from their close relatives, the toads? While terms like frog and toad are often used interchangeably in casual conversation, there are some key differences between them. Generally, frogs have smooth, moist skin, slender bodies, and longer legs designed for leaping, which enable them to navigate through aquatic and terrestrial environments with ease. On the other hand, toads typically possess drier, rougher skin, plumper bodies, and shorter hind legs better suited for hopping rather than leaping. These adaptations reflect their varying lifestyles and habitats. Understanding these distinctions enriches our appreciation for the marvels of frog diversity and underscores the intrinsic value of preserving their fragile ecosystems. A day in the life, eating, sleeping, and hopping around. From dawn to dusk, a frog's day is filled with fascinating activities that keep them thriving in their environment. Let's dive into the daily routine of these remarkable amphibians. Morning brings a chorus of croaks as frogs begin their day with a hearty breakfast. With their keen eyesight and lightning-fast reflexes, they skillfully capture insects and small invertebrates for sustenance. This hunting behaviour not only provides nourishment, but also helps control insect populations, making frogs valuable contributors to the ecosystem. As the sun climbs higher, frogs seek shelter from the heat, often retreating to moist areas or burrowing underground. Here they rest and conserve energy, awaiting the cooler temperatures of the evening. During this time, some species may rehydrate by absorbing water through their skin, a unique feature that sets them apart from many other animals. When the shadows lengthen and the air becomes cooler, frogs emerge once again, ready to hop into action. Their powerful hind legs propel them through their habitat, whether it's along the forest floor, through marshy wetlands, or up into the trees. These acrobatic leaps serve dual purposes. They help frogs cover ground efficiently while also evading predators. In the tranquil hours of twilight, frogs embark on another round of feeding, taking advantage of the abundance of nocturnal insects. Their sensitive hearing allows them to pinpoint the location of prey, and in mere moments, they pounce with precision. The night is also a prime opportunity for social interactions, with many frog species engaging in calls and mating rituals to ensure the survival of their kind. As the night deepens, frogs settle down once more, finding cosy spots for rest and rejuvenation. Now, bathed in moonlight and surrounded by the comforting symphony of their fellow amphibians, they prepare to do it all over again when morning arrives. The daily rhythms of frogs are a testament to their resilience, adaptability, and integral role in the natural world. Amazing adaptations, how frogs survive, wacky skin secrets, the magic of moisture, and more. Frog skin is no ordinary covering. It's a remarkable organ that plays a vital role in the survival of these fascinating creatures. Unlike our skin, which keeps moisture in, frog skin actually allows water to pass through it. This unique property enables frogs to stay moist and helps them absorb essential nutrients from their environment. Imagine having skin that allows you to drink water through it. Additionally, the skin of frogs secretes mucus, forming a thin layer that aids in keeping them moist and protects them from harmful microbes. This mucus layer also assists in shedding, as frogs regularly slough off dead skin and old layers of mucus, facilitating the exchange of gases through their skin. It's like they have their own built-in skincare routine, constantly rejuvenating their protective barrier to maintain their health and well-being. The absorbing and shedding process of the skin is truly a wacky and wonderful adaptation that has enabled frogs to thrive in their unique ecological niches. Jump to survive, incredible movement and escape tactics. In the dazzling world of frogs, the art of survival is played out in mesmerizing displays of agility and speed. Frogs are renowned for their incredible movement and escape tactics, which enable them to evade predators and thrive in their environments. Their remarkable ability to leap vast distances has long captured the imagination of both scientists and nature enthusiasts. Taking a closer look at their locomotion, we discover that frogs possess powerful hind legs perfectly designed for leaping. With specialized muscles and tendons, they can generate explosive force, propelling themselves through the air with astonishing precision. The secret lies in their unique skeletal structure, featuring elongated limbs that act as efficient springs. This allows frogs to swiftly disappear from danger, demonstrating an unparalleled knack for evading threats. Moreover, their jump techniques display an awe-inspiring array of maneuvers, each finely tuned to specific scenarios. Some species execute quick, short hops to conceal themselves in dense vegetation, while others make spectacular, far-reaching leaps to outpace predators. Witnessing the symphony of motion as frogs gracefully navigate their surroundings reveals nature's mastery of adaptation and survival. Beyond their leaping prowess, frogs exhibit a repertoire of additional escape tactics that further increase their odds of survival. Their unparalleled ability to sudden jumps into water or high jump onto tree branches leaves predators confounded, struggling to match their grace and agility. Additionally, some frog species possess the extraordinary capability to change colour, instantly blending into their surroundings and defying detection by potential threats. Furthermore, frogs have developed a suite of stealthy strategies to avoid confrontation. By utilising their keen sense of hearing and sighting, they detect danger in advance and execute rapid, seamless escapes. Their vigilant behaviour, combined with astonishing reflexes, forms a multifaceted defence system that represents a triumph of evolutionary innovation. This fascinating interplay between instinctive responses and physical prowess showcases the remarkable adaptability of these captivating amphibians. The artful balance of strength, dexterity and cunning exhibited by frogs reflects the intricate tapestry of life's diverse wonders. Through their extraordinary movements and astute survival tactics, frogs impart invaluable lessons about resilience, resourcefulness, and the harmonious synchrony of the natural world. Nature's ninjas, masters of camouflage. Nature has bestowed upon frogs and toads a remarkable ability: camouflage. These amphibians are the true masters of blending into their surrounding environments, often becoming nearly invisible to both predators and prey. The art of camouflage is their shield, allowing them to survive and thrive in the diverse ecosystems they call home. Frogs and toads exhibit a dazzling array of colours and patterns that aid in their camouflage. Some species mirror the lush green hues of the forest foliage, while others sport earthy browns and mottled textures that seamlessly merge with the soil and fallen leaves. Their skin can even resemble the bark of trees or the mossy surfaces of stones, making them virtually undetectable to unsuspecting eyes. But it's not just their coloration that makes them ninja-like in their craft. Frogs and toads also possess unique physical adaptations that further enhance their camouflage abilities. Their ability to remain completely still for extended periods adds another layer of defense, enabling them to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. In this state of near-perfect stillness, they become practically invisible, surprising both predators and observers alike. Remarkably, some species take their disguise a step further by positioning themselves strategically among their environment's features to create an illusion that aligns with their appearance. Such stunning mimicry renders them nearly indistinguishable from their surroundings, giving them a distinct advantage when it comes to evading threats or ambushing unsuspecting prey. Intriguingly, the incredible adaptability of frogs and toads has allowed them to thrive in a wide range of habitats, from dense rainforests to arid deserts. Each locale presents its own set of challenges, but these adaptable amphibians have evolved to master each environment through their unparalleled camouflage techniques. As we delve deeper into the world of these nature's ninjas, we uncover their extraordinary capacity to vanish into plain sight, demonstrating their ingenious strategies for survival and inspiring awe at the beauty of their finely honed disguise. The colourful world of frogs. Why are they so bright? Dress to impress. The secrets behind frog colours. Frogs have captivated the human imagination for centuries with their astounding array of bright and vibrant colours. But the question arises, why are frogs so colourful? To understand this phenomenon, we must delve into the intricate tapestry of genetics and the environment that has shaped these mesmerising hues over time. The genetic factors play a pivotal role in determining frog colours, as certain genes are responsible for producing pigments that give rise to their vivid appearances. Through evolutionary processes, frogs have developed an incredible diversity of colour patterns to adapt to various environments, such as forests, meadows, and wetlands. These adaptations serve as a form of camouflage from predators or as attractive signals to potential mates. Moreover, environmental influences, such as available food sources and exposure to sunlight, contribute to the development of these striking colours. As a result, the combination of genetic predispositions and environmental pressures has led to the stunning kaleidoscope of colours that adorn the frog world. Nature's neon signs. What do those bright colours mean? Nature's neon signs. What do those bright colours mean? When it comes to frogs, their vibrant coloration serves as more than just a visual treat for the eyes. These dazzling hues play a crucial role in the frog's survival and communication within their environment. Each shade, pattern, and marking holds significance, contributing to these amphibians' miraculous ability to adapt and thrive in diverse habitats. Bright colours have long been associated with warning signals in nature, and frogs are no exception. Many species flaunt bold, contrasting hues as a way to advertise their toxicity or unpalatability to potential predators. By donning such conspicuous colours, they send a strong message that consuming them would result in an unfavourable outcome for any would-be predators. This defence mechanism, known as aposematism, allows these brightly coloured frogs to boldly announce their off-limits status, benefiting both them and their would-be predators. Furthermore, the brilliant patterns and hues exhibited by male frogs during the breeding season serve as attention-grabbing signals to attract potential mates. In some species, males showcase striking colours to signify their fitness and reproductive readiness, capturing the interest of nearby females. Likewise, female frogs may also display specific colour preferences when selecting a mate, further highlighting the importance of these vibrant displays in fostering successful reproduction. The mesmerising displays of colour during courtship not only establish mate compatibility, but also ensure the continuation of healthy genetic diversity within frog populations. In addition to serving as visual spectacles, These vivid colours also aid in camouflage and thermoregulation. Frogs living in lush tropical rainforests often boast hues that help them blend seamlessly into their surroundings, providing a natural form of protection from predators. Furthermore, the darker pigments on a frog's skin can help absorb heat, enabling these cold-blooded creatures to regulate their body temperature more effectively in varying environments. This dual functionality underscores the multifaceted importance of frog coloration in their daily lives. Importantly, the evolutionary significance of frog coloration underscores the intricate balance between adaptation and survival in the natural world. It exemplifies how every aspect of a frog's appearance has been honed by millions of years of natural selection to optimize its chances for success. By deciphering the language of frogs' bright colours, we gain invaluable insight into their behaviour, ecology, and the delicate web of life in which they are intricately woven. A splash of colour in survival, predator warnings, and mating signals. Let's dive into the fascinating world of frog colours and their significance in the wild. The vibrant hues displayed by various frog species are not just for show, they serve crucial functions in their survival. In this section, we'll explore how these colours act as both predator warnings and mating signals. When it comes to avoiding becoming a meal for a hungry predator, some frogs rely on their flashy colours to send a clear message that they're not to be messed with. These warning colours serve as a visual cue for potential threats, effectively communicating, "I'm toxic," or "I taste terrible." By showcasing bold patterns and vivid tones, such as bright yellows, oranges, reds, and even blues, certain frogs effectively ward off predators looking for an easy meal. It's a remarkable example of nature's defense mechanisms at work. Additionally, the mesmerizing colours of frogs play a pivotal role in the realm of courtship and mating. Through visual displays, male frogs signal their fitness and genetic quality to potential mates. Some species of frogs exhibit remarkable dimorphism, where males sport striking colours and patterns to captivate females during elaborate courtship rituals. These dazzling displays aren't just for aesthetic appeal, they convey vital information about the health and vigour of the male, influencing the female's choice of a suitable mate. Furthermore, the specific coloration and patterning can also indicate the readiness to breed, initiating the complex dance of procreation in the frog world. Beyond mere aesthetics, these vibrant hues hold a wealth of evolutionary tales, reflecting the intricate interplay between survival strategies and reproductive success in the dynamic ecosystem of frogs. So, the next time you come across a brilliantly coloured frog, take a moment to marvel at the hidden messages its appearance conveys. From survival tactics to romantic overtures, the world of frog colours is truly a captivating spectacle. Toadula, awesome. Understanding toads. Toads, often mistaken for their close relatives, frogs, have a distinct charm that sets them apart. While they may seem similar at first glance, toads have several unique characteristics that make them fascinating creatures to study. One notable feature is their dry, bumpy skin, as opposed to the moist and smooth skin of frogs. This adaptational difference plays a crucial role in the habitat preferences of toads compared to frogs. Toads are generally terrestrial, which means they tend to spend more time on land than in water, a behaviour that aligns with their dry skin and distinctive physiology. In addition to their skin, toads possess a few more traits that distinguish them from frogs. Their bodies are usually stockier, with shorter hind legs giving them a somewhat squat appearance. This physical build allows them to excel in areas where hopping agility takes a back seat and manoeuvring through rough terrain becomes essential. Furthermore, toads have prominent parotoid glands behind their eyes, which secrete toxins as a defense mechanism against potential predators. These glands emit a milky substance that can be irritating or even toxic to certain animals, serving as a potent deterrent. As such, toads are equipped with an effective means of protection in the wild. Understanding these key differences between toads and frogs not only enriches our knowledge of these remarkable creatures, but also fosters an appreciation for the diverse adaptations that enable their survival. Toad traits: more than bumpy skin. Toads are often overshadowed by their counterparts, the frogs, but there's so much more to them than meets the eye. While they do share some similarities, toads possess unique characteristics that set them apart. One of the most distinguishing features of toads is their dry, bumpy skin. Unlike frogs, who have smooth and moist skin, toads have a rough and dry exterior. These specialized skin glands secrete toxins that serve as a powerful defense mechanism against predators. It's incredible how these tiny creatures have evolved such sophisticated ways to protect themselves. Aside from their skin, toads also boast a fascinating set of traits. They have remarkable eyes, large and golden, with horizontal pupils that make them instantly recognizable. These unique eyes provide excellent vision, allowing toads to detect movement and find prey even in low-light conditions. Additionally, toads have powerful hind legs built for hopping and leaping. Their muscular limbs enable them to cover considerable distances with each bound, helping them evade danger and capture their next meal. Another interesting aspect of toads is their diet. They are voracious eaters, consuming a wide variety of insects and small invertebrates. Their long, sticky tongue and lightning-fast reflexes make them efficient hunters. Toads play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems by keeping insect populations in check. Despite their tough exterior and remarkable abilities, toads face numerous challenges, especially in areas affected by habitat loss and pollution. Understanding their distinctive traits is essential for appreciating the crucial role they play in the environment and for working towards their conservation. The more we learn about toads, the better equipped we are to safeguard their habitats and ensure their continued survival for generations to come. Hopping through habitats, where toads thrive. Imagine a bustling forest alive with the sounds of birds chirping, leaves rustling in the breeze, and the gentle croaks of contented toads. This idyllic setting is just one of the many diverse habitats where toads thrive. Toads have mastered the art of adapting to various environments, making them fascinating creatures to study and admire. Let's take a leap into the diverse habitats where toads flourish and learn about the unique features that enable them to thrive in these settings. Woodlands and forests. Toads often make their homes in lush woodlands and forests, where they can seek refuge among the fallen leaves and damp earth. These habitats provide ample cover and moisture, which are essential for toad survival. The abundance of insects and small invertebrates in these environments also offers a delectable buffet for these adept hunters. Wetlands and marshes. From serene wetlands to expansive marshes, toads find sanctuary in these waterlogged landscapes. With their semi-aquatic nature, toads navigate the murky waters with ease, employing their exceptional swimming skills to traverse these habitats. While basking in the sun along the water's edge, they blend seamlessly into their surroundings, using their mottled skin to evade predators. Urban oases. Surprisingly, toads have shown remarkable resilience in urban areas, adapting to human-altered environments. From parks and gardens to abandoned lots, toads have found innovative ways to coexist with humans. They capitalize on hidden nooks and crannies in concrete jungles, demonstrating their resourcefulness in the face of urbanization. Deserts and arid regions. Contrary to popular belief, toads can also thrive in arid habitats, such as deserts and semi-arid regions. Here, their ability to burrow underground comes to the forefront, allowing them to escape the sweltering heat and conserve precious moisture. Their exceptional dehydration tolerance enables them to endure the harsh conditions of these unforgiving landscapes. Whether it's the alpine meadows, coastal dunes, or tropical rainforests, toads exhibit an astonishing versatility in adapting to a wide array of habitats. Each ecosystem presents its own set of challenges, yet toads have established themselves as resilient and resourceful inhabitants, showcasing their extraordinary adaptability. By understanding the intricate relationship between toads and their habitats, we gain a deeper appreciation for these remarkable amphibians and the diverse environments they call home. Starting small, the egg-sighting beginning. Frogs are known for their fascinating reproduction process, which typically starts with eggs. These eggs come in various shapes and sizes depending on the frog species. Some frogs lay their eggs in water, attaching them to submerged plants or vegetation, while others lay their eggs on damp land. The location of egg laying is influenced by environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, and predation. In aquatic environments, the eggs of frogs are usually laid in clusters and often enclosed in a jelly-like substance to protect them from predators and provide essential nutrients. This protective layer also aids in maintaining proper moisture levels for the developing embryos. On the other hand, some terrestrial frogs lay their eggs in moist environments like leaf litter or underneath logs. These eggs have a gel-like coating that prevents them from drying out and helps maintain the necessary moisture for successful development. It's truly remarkable how environmental factors play a crucial role in determining where and how frog eggs are laid. These adaptations reflect the evolutionary strategies that frogs have developed to ensure the survival of their offspring. Understanding the diverse methods of egg-laying in frogs provides a deeper appreciation for the intricacies of their life cycle and the delicate balance between environmental influences and reproductive success. Tadpole tales. Growing up in the water. As we delve into the enchanting world of tadpoles, we discover a remarkable journey of transformation. Tadpoles are the larval stage of frogs and are diverse in their appearance and behaviour. Emerging from tiny jelly-like eggs, tadpoles embark on an incredible adventure as they navigate their watery habitat. Their bodies are adapted for aquatic life, with gills for breathing underwater and a powerful tail for swimming. As they grow, they undergo a series of fascinating changes, from the emergence of hind limbs to the absorption of their tail. Their diet consists of algae, plants, and small organisms, sustaining them through this critical period of growth. Observing a tadpole gracefully gliding through the water and witnessing its gradual development is truly a marvel of nature. Each species of frog has its own unique tadpole stage, adding to the diversity and wonder of this phase of their life cycle. It's a delightful experience to understand the significance of the tadpole stage in the overall life of a frog, highlighting the beauty and complexity of their existence. Hop to it, the big change into adulthood. After spending weeks or even months as a tadpole, a remarkable transformation occurs, one that never fails to astonish. As the tadpole grows, crucial changes begin to take place. Its tail, once vital for swimming, begins to shrink and is slowly reabsorbed into the body. At the same time, its legs start to develop, making it possible for the tadpole to navigate both land and water. This process is known as metamorphosis, a truly magical feat of nature. The emergence of hind legs is swiftly followed by the growth of front legs. Now equipped with both sets of limbs, the tadpole's body undergoes significant modifications. Its organs adjust to meet the demands of life on land, and its respiratory system transforms to accommodate breathing air instead of extracting oxygen from water through gills. This critical stage in the frog's life cycle marks its transition from water-dwelling creature to an amphibian, able to thrive in diverse environments. The changes don't cease there. The tadpole's mouth broadens as it prepares to consume a wider range of food than it could as an herbivorous larva. Its digestive system likewise adapts to process this new diet, signalling a profound shift in its nutritional requirements. With these developments, the tadpole evolves into a creature primed for its adult existence, ready to explore the world beyond the water and embrace life as a fully formed frog. Having conquered this incredible journey from water-bound infancy to land-dwelling maturity, the frog emerges triumphant, a testament to the prodigious wonders of the natural world. Witnessing the astonishing metamorphosis from tadpole to adult, one can't help but marvel at the sheer resilience and adaptability displayed by these fascinating creatures. Home and habitat. Where do they live? Cozy corners. Discovering frog havens. Frogs and toads are the ultimate globetrotters, making their homes in an incredibly diverse range of habitats. From the steamy depths of tropical rainforests to the rugged landscapes of arid deserts, these versatile amphibians have managed to adapt and thrive in some of the most extraordinary environments on the planet. Take the remarkable Darwin's frog, for example. Found in the temperate forests of Chile and Argentina, this captivating creature blends seamlessly with its leafy surroundings, using its camouflage to disappear from potential predators. Then, there's the paradoxical horned frog, which calls the hot and humid rainforests of South America its home. With its voracious appetite and impressive size, it reigns as one of the apex predators in its environment. Let's not forget the astonishing wood frog, a resident of the colder climes in North America, that has the astounding ability to survive being frozen solid during winter months. But the enchanting world of frogs and toads doesn't stop there. Some species have made the arid deserts their habitat, such as the agile spadefoot toad, which spends most of its life buried underground, emerging only during heavy rains to breed. Whether it's the lush greenery of the tropics or the harsh desolation of deserts, frogs and toads have staked their claim in some of the most distinctive and challenging habitats on Earth, showcasing their incredible adaptability and resilience. From rainforests to backyard ponds, a global tour. Imagine embarking on a grand adventure around the world exploring the varied habitats where frogs and toads call home. From the lush canopies of tropical rainforests to the serene tranquility of backyard ponds, these amazing creatures have adapted to an astonishing range of environments. Let's start our journey in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the cacophony of exotic animal calls intermingles with the mesmerizing chorus of frogs. Here, amidst the verdant foliage and shimmering streams, tree frogs display their brilliant hues and nimble movements. It's a testament to nature's artistry and the sheer diversity of frog habitats. Now, travel across continents to the sweeping savannas of Africa, where giant bullfrogs bask in the warm sun near waterholes. Their deep croaks resonate across the plains, carving an unforgettable soundtrack of wilderness. Take a detour to the enchanting rice paddies of Southeast Asia, where agile paddy frogs thrive in the watery landscape, blending seamlessly with the emerald fields. In stark contrast, let's visit the deserts of North America, where spadefoot toads burrow beneath the arid soil, emerging only during infrequent rains. As we delve into diverse ecosystems, don't forget the humble backyard pond, a bustling microcosm of life within suburbia. Here, familiar faces like the common frog mingle with newts, dragonflies, and aquatic plants, forging a thriving community in unlikely surroundings. The global tour showcases not just the geographical spread of frog habitats, but also the intricate interplay between these amphibians and their surroundings, a living testament to nature's boundless creativity and resilience. Leaps in science, frogs in research, frogs in lab coats, the role of frogs in scientific discovery. Frogs have long been the unsung heroes of scientific discovery, offering invaluable insights that have shaped our understanding of genetics and beyond. Since the 1800s, researchers have turned to these amphibious creatures to unravel the mysteries of our genetic makeup. One of the earliest breakthrough studies involving frogs was the exploration of embryonic development by Hans Sperman, which later earned him a Nobel Prize. This pivotal work laid the foundation for our understanding of how cells develop and specialize, and it all began with the humble frog embryo. Fast forward to modern times, and frogs continue to play an integral role in genetic research. Their unique characteristics make them ideal subjects for studying developmental processes and gene expression. In fact, the African clawed frog, Xenopus laevis, has become a model organism for exploring gene functions due to its large and easily manipulable embryos. This has led to groundbreaking discoveries in the field of developmental biology. Moreover, frogs have also shed light on the mechanisms underlying human diseases. By introducing specific genetic mutations into frog embryos, scientists have gained crucial insights into the origins of various disorders, paving the way for potential targeted treatments. Notably, the ability to manipulate and observe early frog embryos has provided a wealth of information about a wide range of genetic and developmental phenomena, accelerating progress in medical research. As we journey through scientific history, it becomes evident that frogs have played an indispensable part in expanding our knowledge of genetics and developmental biology, transforming how we approach fundamental biological questions. Jumping into genetics, what frogs tell us about DNA? Genetics is an intricate web of information that dictates the characteristics and traits of all living organisms. When it comes to understanding genetics, frogs have proven to be invaluable players in unraveling the secrets of DNA. These amphibians provide a unique window into the world of genetics, offering scientists a wealth of knowledge about how genes shape life. Through their genetic makeup, frogs present an ideal model for studying the fundamental principles of heredity. One of the remarkable aspects of frog genetics is their similarity to human DNA. Believe it or not, approximately 85% of the human genome can be mapped to similar regions in the frog genome. This astounding resemblance has profound implications for biomedical research, allowing scientists to explore complex human genetic disorders by examining the corresponding genes in frogs. By identifying shared genetic sequences and analyzing gene function, researchers gain critical insights into the causes of genetic diseases, paving the way for potential treatments and therapies. Moreover, frogs offer a compelling system for investigating how genes regulate development. Their embryos are transparent, providing a clear view of the intricate processes occurring during early development. This transparency allows scientists to observe the formation of organs and tissues at a level of detail that is hard to achieve in other animals. As a result, frog embryos serve as essential tools for studying the genetic control of embryonic development, shedding light on the molecular mechanisms that orchestrate the remarkable transformation from a single cell to a complex organism. In addition to their role in developmental genetics, frogs play a crucial part in understanding evolutionary biology. By comparing the genetic blueprints of different frog species, researchers can uncover the genetic changes that underpin evolutionary adaptations. This comparative approach provides valuable insights into the genetic basis of diversity, allowing scientists to explore how genetic variations contribute to the array of traits found across diverse frog species. Furthermore, studying frog genetics aids in the conservation of endangered species, as it enables scientists to assess the genetic diversity within populations and develop effective strategies for preserving genetic variability. These are just a few examples of the multitude of ways in which frog genetics enriches our understanding of DNA and its significance in shaping life. From unlocking the mysteries of human diseases to deciphering the mechanisms of evolution, frogs continue to leap ahead in genetic research, demonstrating their pivotal role in advancing our knowledge of the genetic code. Conservation challenges: protecting our amphibian friends. Trouble in paradise: identifying the threats. Habitat destruction poses a significant threat to frogs and toads worldwide. As human populations expand, natural habitats are being encroached upon for various purposes such as agriculture, urbanization, and infrastructure development. Wetlands, which are crucial breeding grounds for many amphibian species, are particularly under threat from habitat destruction. As these vital ecosystems vanish, frog and toad populations suffer due to the loss of their breeding and feeding grounds. Pollution is another pressing concern for amphibian populations. Pesticides, herbicides, and industrial pollutants seep into water bodies, contaminating the aquatic environments where frogs and toads reside. These toxic substances not only directly harm the amphibians themselves, but also disrupt the delicate balance of their ecosystems, leading to declines in populations. Moreover, climate change presents an increasingly dire challenge to amphibian survival. Shifts in temperature and precipitation patterns impact the availability of suitable habitats for frogs and toads. Additionally, extreme weather events such as droughts and floods can devastate already fragile amphibian populations. As climate change accelerates, these impacts are expected to intensify, posing a grave threat to the survival of numerous frog and toad species. Invasive species represent yet another hazard to native amphibians. Introduced predators and competitors, like non-native fish and predatory mammals, pose a serious danger to frog and toad populations by preying on their eggs, tadpoles, and even adult individuals. Furthermore, invasive plants can alter the structure of habitats, adversely affecting the survival and reproduction of native amphibians. The spread of invasive species exacerbates the challenges that frog and toad populations already face, contributing to their decline and endangerment. The intersection of habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and invasive species has created a perilous situation for frogs and toads around the globe. Addressing these multifaceted threats demands comprehensive and concerted conservation efforts to protect these remarkable creatures and sustain the intricate ecosystems they inhabit. Heroes to the rescue. Current conservation efforts. Across the globe, there are modern-day heroes who have dedicated their lives to saving our amphibian friends from the brink of extinction. These conservationists work tirelessly in the field, using a combination of research, education, and hands-on intervention to address the myriad threats faced by frogs and toads. They are the unsung champions of the natural world, advocating for the protection and preservation of these vital species. One such example is the Amphibian Survival Alliance, ASA, a collaborative network of organisations and individuals committed to the conservation of amphibians and their habitats. The ASA actively supports on-the-ground projects in diverse regions, leveraging the expertise of scientists and local communities to implement strategies that safeguard endangered amphibian populations. Their work encompasses habitat restoration, disease control, and public awareness initiatives, all aimed at mitigating the various challenges confronting these remarkable creatures. In addition to organisational efforts, there are numerous passionate individuals making a difference at the grassroots level. From citizen science programmes to community-led conservation projects, these dedicated individuals inspire hope through their unwavering commitment to protecting amphibian diversity. Through innovative approaches such as captive breeding programs and genetic monitoring, they are actively contributing to the resilience and recovery of threatened frog and toad species. Moreover, technological advancements have opened up new frontiers in conservation. Scientists are utilizing state-of-the-art tools like environmental DNA, eDNA, sampling to detect the presence of elusive amphibians in their natural habitats, providing crucial insights for targeted conservation actions. Furthermore, satellite tracking and remote sensing technologies offer unprecedented capabilities for monitoring and understanding amphibian populations, giving conservationists a profound understanding of the ecological dynamics at play. It's important to recognise that the effectiveness of current conservation efforts rests not only on scientific innovation, but also on collaboration with local communities and Indigenous knowledge systems. By integrating traditional ecological knowledge into conservation programmes, Researchers and practitioners can gain valuable perspectives on sustainable coexistence with amphibian species, fostering harmony between human activities and the natural environment. As we celebrate these modern-day heroes and their invaluable contributions to amphibian conservation, it's clear that their dedication and determination are instrumental in shaping a future where frogs and toads thrive in their natural habitats. Together, these heroes are building a legacy of sustainable cohabitation with nature, laying the foundation for the continued existence of these enchanting and essential creatures. What's next in conservation? Looking forward. As we strive to protect our amphibian friends, it's crucial to consider what lies ahead in the realm of conservation. The road to preserving these fascinating creatures will undoubtedly present new challenges and opportunities. Looking to the future, one pressing issue is the impact of climate change on amphibian habitats. As the environment continues to undergo significant shifts, it's essential to assess how these changes will affect the survival of frogs and toads. Additionally, the spread of infectious diseases poses a growing threat to amphibian populations. Understanding and mitigating these diseases will be key in safeguarding their future. Another important aspect to consider is the role of technological advancements in conservation efforts. From DNA analysis to satellite tracking, innovative tools can revolutionize how we study and protect amphibians. By harnessing these technologies, we can gain deeper insights into their behaviors and movements, enabling more effective conservation strategies. Collaboration across communities and organizations also holds tremendous potential for the future of amphibian conservation. Building strong partnerships and sharing knowledge and resources can amplify the impact of conservation initiatives. Furthermore, educating and engaging the public is essential in fostering a collective commitment to protecting frogs and toads. It's crucial to inspire individuals of all ages to appreciate and understand the significance of these remarkable creatures and the importance of conservation. As we look forward, there is hope in the incredible resilience and adaptability of amphibians. By addressing emerging threats, embracing innovative approaches, and nurturing widespread collaboration and awareness, we can steer the course of amphibian conservation towards success. Together, we can work towards ensuring a thriving future for these enchanting and vital members of our natural world. Get involved. How you can help frogs and toads. Jump right in. Simple ways to start. When it comes to helping frogs and toads, there are numerous simple yet impactful steps that anyone can take. One of the easiest ways to make a difference is by reducing pesticide use. By opting for natural alternatives and minimizing the use of harmful chemicals in our gardens and yards, we can create a safer environment for these amphibians. Additionally, supporting local conservation projects can have a significant impact. Whether it's through volunteering, donating, or spreading awareness, getting involved in these initiatives can help protect the habitats of frogs and toads. Another way to jump right in and make a difference is by advocating for policies that benefit amphibian populations. This could involve reaching out to local lawmakers or joining advocacy groups dedicated to environmental causes. Moreover, educating others about the importance of frogs and toads in our ecosystem can also be a powerful way to start making a positive impact. By sharing knowledge and raising awareness, we can inspire more people to join the efforts in preserving these fascinating creatures. Furthermore, creating a frog-friendly space in our own backyard can contribute to their well-being. This may involve incorporating features such as a small pond, native plants, and sheltering spots to provide a welcoming habitat for these animals. Embracing sustainable gardening practices and being mindful of our ecological footprint are additional steps that can help support the conservation of frogs and toads. Ultimately, by taking these simple yet meaningful actions, we can play a part in safeguarding the future of these remarkable amphibians. Create a frog-friendly space. Your personal impact. Creating a frog-friendly space isn't just beneficial for our amphibian friends. It can also be an incredibly rewarding experience for you. By making some small changes to your outdoor space, you can make a positive impact on the local frog and toad population. Let's dive into some practical steps you can take to transform your garden or backyard into a haven for these fascinating creatures. Firstly, consider the water sources in your outdoor area. Frogs and toads need standing water for breeding and tadpole development. Adding a small pond or even a makeshift pool using a large container can provide them with the ideal habitat. Ensure that the water is clean and preferably free from chemicals. Having a shallow area around the edges of the pond will provide a safe space for tadpoles to grow before they venture out into deeper water. Next, think about the vegetation in your garden. Planting native species of plants and shrubs can attract insects, which are an essential part of a frog's diet. Avoid using pesticides, as these can be harmful to frogs and other wildlife. Creating clusters of dense plants and providing shelter like logs and rocks will offer hiding spots and breeding areas for frogs and toads. It's important to maintain a natural and undisturbed area within your garden. Limiting the use of chemical fertilizers and allowing leaf litter to accumulate will encourage the presence of insects and provide a natural food source for frogs. Additionally, reducing the frequency of mowing and leaving some areas of grass longer will create a diverse habitat for frogs and other wildlife. Consider the lighting in your outdoor space. Minimizing artificial lights, especially near bodies of water, can benefit nocturnal species of frogs. Light pollution can disorientate these creatures and interfere with their natural behaviors. By making simple adjustments to your outdoor lighting, you can minimize the impact on local frog populations. Lastly, spreading awareness about creating frog-friendly spaces can have a ripple effect in your community. By sharing your experience and knowledge with friends, family, and neighbours, you can inspire others to make similar changes in their gardens. Organising community events or workshops can further amplify the impact and encourage collective action for frog conservation. By taking these steps, you'll not only create a welcoming environment for frogs and toads, but also contribute to the preservation of biodiversity in your local ecosystem. Small actions can lead to significant outcomes, and by enhancing your outdoor space, you can play a vital role in promoting coexistence with these remarkable amphibians. Spread the word, sharing your passion. Sharing your passion for frogs and toads can be an incredibly rewarding experience. It's a chance to inspire others and raise awareness about the importance of conserving these amazing creatures. One impactful way to spread the word is through social media. You can use platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to post fascinating facts, stunning photos, or even your own experiences with frogs and toads. By using relevant hashtags and engaging with others who share your interest, you can connect with a wider community and encourage conversations about conservation. Blogs and vlogs are also fantastic tools for sharing your knowledge and enthusiasm. Starting a blog where you discuss frog and toad-related topics, conservation efforts, and personal encounters can captivate readers and cultivate a growing audience. Creating informative and entertaining videos for platforms like YouTube allows you to visually showcase your love for these amphibians. Another effective way to spread awareness is by organising or participating in local events. Hosting a frog and toad-themed event, such as a nature walk, educational workshop, or fundraising campaign, can attract people of all ages and backgrounds. These gatherings provide opportunities to educate, engage, and inspire others to contribute to conservation efforts. Additionally, contributing articles or op-eds to local newspapers, magazines, or online publications can help amplify your message and reach diverse audiences. These written pieces can bring attention to current conservation issues, highlight success stories, and call for collective action. engaging with schools and community groups is yet another impactful avenue for spreading awareness. Offering to conduct educational sessions or interactive presentations about frogs and toads can ignite curiosity and spark a sense of responsibility in younger generations. As they say, education is the most powerful weapon. By imparting knowledge and fostering empathy, you empower others to become ambassadors for amphibian preservation. Ultimately, sharing your passion for frogs and toads holds immense potential for catalyzing positive change. Every effort, no matter how small, contributes to creating a world where these remarkable creatures thrive. Together, we can turn the tide for frogs and toads, and every voice raised in their name brings us closer to achieving this shared goal.